Today's supposed to be my day off, but I'm just going out because the past 2 days were my days off. I was kind of getting bored. I'm just gonna go out and film a little bit of content for the nail page, and then I'm probably gonna come home and just get ready for my move. Thankfully, I did book a packing and moving and unpacking service, but I'm not sure how that works. Like, it's my first time doing that, so I think I'm just gonna still kind of like organize everything so that it makes it easier for them to pack. Like, I don't want this to go on the whole day. So I just came back home and I wanted to show you my first advent calendar. I've never done this before. I would see this all the time every holiday season and I always wanted one and I finally got one. This is the YESSTYLE Winter Beautyland advent calendar and it has basically so many products. Beauty products from YESSTYLE, and I'm guessing most of them are like K-beauty, and I'm just gonna unbox number 1 to 5 on camera today. This is number 1. Oh my god, I'm already excited for the first one. I think it's really fun because they're not just like in order, you just have to like find it. And this one is the Lily by Red Love Beam Cheek Balm. So I guess this is like a blush. This color though. This one is the Kahi Multi Balm. Oh my god, I've seen this so many times on like K-dramas and I've always wanted to try it out. This one is the Glittering Eye Stick. I feel like all the color shades are like very universal. The last one, number 5. This one is the Beauty of Chosun Calming Serum. I've never tried this. So if you guys want this calendar, you guys can get it on YESSTYLE. And I think it's like a perfect gift. I would get this for a lot of my friends too. Good morning guys. Today's a Sunday but it's so rainy outside, but luckily I'll be driving so it's fine. And today's the last day of me in this house. I'm moving tomorrow. It's gonna be so convenient to go to work, so I'm so happy about that. So yeah, let's go to work. Today is moving day and the movers are coming very soon. It's like 7:30 in the morning. I actually partnered with Roadway Moving to move all of my stuff. They're packing my stuff as well. It's so gloomy outside. It's not a great day for moving, but I'm still so excited. I'm gonna put on makeup and kind of like help them, I guess. I don't even know how it works because I've never had movers. So I'm in my new apartment and I'll do like a little apartment tour. I like forgot what it looked like because I didn't get to see like my actual apartment. They just showed me like something similar. So here it is. So once you walk in, there's a kitchen, which I'll probably like never really use. Ooh, I like how they have this. I'm pretty sure it's for food. When I first opened it, I thought it was for shoes, but okay. And they have a lot of like cabinets, I guess. And then here's the bathroom, and I like how there's like storage places because my past place did not have like a drawer. Oh my god, I love this. My past place did not have that, so it was like really messy here. And there is the living room. Compared to my old apartment, it's literally like 1/3 the size, but this is what I get for living in New York. It's really nice. Like, they have nice amenities here, so I like this place. And this is the bedroom. I like how cozy it is, and there's the closet. There's a washer and dryer in unit, so that's why I chose this place. That is the empty apartment. Yesterday I spent the night just trying to unbox everything because the boxes were taking up all of the space, and we're left with I think 3 boxes or 4 boxes. So my plan is to just unbox everything tonight and just organize and clean. Right now I'm wearing shoes in the house because everybody was wearing shoes yesterday. I just want to clean everything so that I can just walk with my slippers. This is how the couch is looking right now. It's literally just like, you know. I feel like if I take this one out, it looks pretty normal, but I have nowhere to put it. So here it's looking very messy as well. But I have to head out to the salon as well because I have to give out paychecks today. Yesterday, I literally slept with this. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, it's messy. But I slept with the light on in the closet because I didn't know how to turn it off. There is no light switch whatsoever. Usually it's on the right side or the left side, and there's no light switch, and I was like digging everywhere. I have to ask them where the light switch is, and this is kind of weird. I'm just gonna put on makeup for now because I'm going out for dinner, and honestly I don't have to put on makeup, but I just feel so ugly at the moment. And I'm gonna go out to get Thai food. I got Thai food for like the first time like a few weeks ago, and it was so good. So ever since then I've been like craving Thai food, so I'm going back to the same place, and luckily that place is close to where I moved to. I also got new products from the YESSTYLE advent calendar, so I'm gonna be using them whenever I get new things. I like to try it. I'm using the McQueen New York Fake Up 3 color shading. I'm gonna use this palette today.